Welcome back to Hurricane over Splashtown after Hurricane Beryl. This is the fourth day after Beryl. My bad, this is the fourth day, Monday, July 15th, since they've been back open. So it's the fourth day back. They reopen on Friday. Well, hello everyone, I finished on your back here video. Today is Monday, July 15th, 2024. We are back at Hurricane over Splashtown for a park tour today. We're not going to go on any attractions today. This is going to be a park tour after Hurricane Beryl. So let's get this video started. And there are also currently attractions down around the park. That's open. That's open. Up there's the security area. Up. So all these attractions over here is currently closed. On your right is Trade Winds. Yeah. Across the way there's also another shop called Surprise Sweets, Gifts and Essentials, and also there's a snack stall there. Here's the iconic shark at the front of the park. On your right is Blue Activity Pool. And way over there is the Wave Pool. We'll be going down that way in just a second. So here we have Rip Curl, and if you go around this side, the entrance of Rip Curl is on the other side of the slide. So if you go further far as you can. Also, Slinger Racers is on the other side of that. Over there, behind it. Random dot. Fanny packs will not actually hold a fanny, but they're sure to hold your Skittles. So we're gonna go over this bridge here. Here you have the Blue Activity Pool. And there's the ultra distance for the drop pitch cups. Over there. That's part of the Coconut Bay attraction. On your left is Wahoo Wave, where you can go right at. There will be a full park tour when everything reopens. The Hurricane. So as you move further down the pathway here, you'll see benches. And over here, that is Coconut Bay, which is one of the kids section here at the park. We are approaching Shark Snacks up ahead. They usually sell like hot dogs, corn dogs, walking tacos, Australian sticks, cotton candy, and they do accept a dining plate here. It is closed today, so not open. And some parking backstage is on the other side, so if the friends are not allowed to go back there. Here we have like a lounge area kind of deal. There's some set of restrooms right here. Entrance for Coconut Bay, the entire kids section. And if we continue going down the pathway, there's some very nice like landscaping around here. It is part of the park before you get to Paradise Plunge and Basania Pipelines, which is up there, the one that we are approaching right now. But here's a set of some picnic tables that doesn't look like anybody is here right now. More pathways. You can jump off of the cliff from somewhere over there-ish. I think get at that part of the park yet. Ooh, that's pop right here. Oh, so back then there used to be multiple slides here, like I said in the history video. It's been out for a long while now. So that's an old footer for one of them. Wow. Here's the entrance for Paradise Plunge and Basania Pipelines. These two are open. Here's where you can rent your lockers or your tube rentals. It is what Florida will get some. Those are the lockers look like. It goes around, so continue going this way. Here is Sammy's surf shop, which is unfortunately closed for today. Right, the function happens here. Here's where you can normally get. Here is where you can normally get a refill at. Looks like it is closed today. Other entrance for the lockers and bathhouse and change rooms are through this area. So as you turn left, here is an attraction called Flow Rider. It is closed today. It looks like they're not even operating it. And Sharky's Bar is coming up, which does serve your alcohol here. Just like snacks and Cowboy Cafe right there. Coming up is 6 Below. Also, there's some like tables and all that stuff. Yeah, the park. I'm trying to talk over the style copyrighted music. There's sounds are on the TV as well as there's stuff. And Tidal Wave Cafe. Those don't look like they're line. Also, here's a cash and card machine. Signs throughout the park. This building right here is 6 Below at the opposite side. Now, here's the large picture. Now, we can't go that far past this area because I will tell you guys what is this way. Bamboo Shoots, Vortex, Tornado, Big Huna, Big Spin, and that's all the attractions that are over there. While the stage show, whenever they're doing shows and all that stuff, that's the stage. Alright, we're resuming the tour of park. On your right is the 6 Below, where you can get ice cream and all that stuff. So we are continuing down the pathway. Here's like, this was just so much actions, but here's like the wait. Probably wait on it. It's up. While they've actually changed their seat lane, just so you guys know, this got removed. So, and of course, the map of the entire park. On your left is Hurricane Bay, the wave pool. So we are going to get to do this bridge, but before that, here we have tropical treats where you can rent your tubes, and over there is like where you can that's rope swing, and you can jump from that ledge over there. As we are making it around the pathways, you can see all the slides in the distance. There's the cabanas. Park sights and sound. So down this pathway, you have a refill stand. Paradise Grill was over there. Entrance for the river, and Hulu Bar and the cabanas for rentals over there. I have a Dippin' stall and one of the entrance for the rivers. But this wasn't here on the last visit. So this might have been what they were selling during the 4th of July when everything was busy. I wasn't personally here in July 2. My first visit here in July. Look at that. Hopefully these ride attractions will be open on the next trip. And we are back, or we are started. Get ready to leave the park shortly. As we approach the exit of the park, our grand circle tour is coming to an end, but not to stop. Is we will be back at the park real soon. An exit by car. Here's everything we saw at the front, and that's the exit side. You only exit from the right. Keep following to the right of the path to get out for the park day. Here you have guest services where you can find information about the park, lost and found, and the sales centers we can purchase your season passes and tickets. So here's a shot of Brook Curl from this outside of the park, and some rehearsals, and that's pretty much it. That's it. Well, everyone, hope you guys enjoyed this Harbor video. It is hot out here today. It's like super hot. It's summertime, so we're very low crowds from what I saw, which is nice. If I was riding slides today, but today it's not a slide day, however, because every half of the park is open. But if I remember correctly, they only open up a few attractions last time. But yeah, I'm gonna show you this video, like I said, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.